So here we are in County Cavan, Ireland, on a May day, and we are here just in Ballinya, County Cavan, and we're going to check out a Folly, which is kind of a stone building, and it is called Fleming's Folly in particular. So welcome to my channel, back again with the Urban Investigator. Hope you enjoy today's little video. So, a little bit of history of the Folly. Fleming's Folly was built according to local tradition by Captain James Fleming, the local landlord. There are many fanciful stories told about this construction, one of which relates that the captain's son was serving in the army in North America, and he built the Folly so that he might be able to see the ship carrying him home. A more plausible story is that it was part of a fashion current in the 18th century to adorn the countryside with little buildings and ready-made ruins. In 1836, Ordnance Survey Ireland surveyed the Cavan area, and this clearly shows Fleming's Folly as existing at that time. The stones were quarried locally, and a nearby lake marks the spot. Okay, so a few little myths and legends about Fleming's Folly. That his son went to fight in a war abroad, and he wanted to build this on elevated ground to see the ships coming back, which I don't know, sounds a little bit far-fetched, because we are in the Midlands of Ireland here, and you know, it's a long way from the sea. So I mean, even if it was, doesn't matter how elevated it was, it would be still difficult, very difficult to see the sea. Okay, so basically I parked my car about maybe 10 minutes back and walked up this windy road. It's nice, there's kind of a little forest around and a lot of pine trees, but as you can see, they're cutting a lot of them down, a lot of deforestation, and the timber is obviously going to be used as be manufactured. So look, let's get on with today's video. So hope you can all subscribe, like the video, helps me out, gets more of these beautiful little architectural gems of videos and little areas of different parts of the world. Sometimes the smallest step in the right direction ends up being the biggest step of your life. Tiptoe if you must, but take the step. Okay, it's a lovely view. So I presume it's going to get quite elevated as we walk up here. It's a nice little path. And it's a nice, I have to say, it's a really nice little area. Lots of birds singing. You know, quite remote. But it's a lovely day here. We're getting really nice weather at the moment here in Ireland, which is good because God knows it rained so much this winter. It was a lot of rain. So I'm hoping there's going to be Pretty nice view from here of the surrounding area. Yeah, okay, it's starting to open up already. Wow. So this hill here is called Bruce Hill. Pretty sure that's Bruce. Yeah, it's gotta be. So on there, which is in Cavan. So I would say from a site this high up in this location, we would get to see the three provinces. So where the three provinces meet is actually Arva, County Cavan, Leinster, Connacht and Ulster. So we're actually in Ulster at the moment. So I presume if we look from here we will see Connacht, which will be Leitrim, and Longford, which is in Leinster. So it's very much just a little trail, nice little walking trail. I mean, you could bring a bike up here as well, would be perfect. It's very quiet, very, very quiet. Okay, wow, here we are. Here's a little glimpse of it. Fleming's Folly. Very square structure, some openings. So I'm not exactly sure what a folly is. I think it's just like a kind of a small building. So it's definitely high up here, but there's not a hope in hell you're gonna see there's not a hope in hell you're gonna see the sea. Kilishandra, 12 kilometre, Kilmore 4, Cavan 11, Ballinya 3. Okay, so here we are, Fleming's Folly. Yeah, so it looked like just a little house, because it had a fireplace, a door, and a stairs. Fleming's Folly is a two-storey square tower with mortared walls of rough, unworked stone situated on a rock outcrop overlooking the village of Ballinya and the surrounding area. On a clear day, it is possible to see three provinces, Ulster, Connacht and Leinster. Doorways in the Folly were situated in the west and south walls. There is intramural stairs which runs from the doorway in the south wall through the east wall to a viewing point. There are beam slots and 2 recesses in the south wall and a round-headed fireplace in the north wall. Right, so there must have been beams and a 2-story at one point, and I would presume a roof, but you know, over time the roof was made of timber and it fell or caved in. So it would actually be a beautiful little place to camp. Imagine waking up to that view. Amazing. Nice. Wow. So it looks pretty well restored. Looks like that it's been repointed at some time, but it looks very well built. Looks very straight. And 18th century, restored by Ballina Community Enterprise Association. So I wonder what type of flora was in here. Or did he just build it and then not finish it out? So maybe there was some sort of storage areas. Fireplace. Those the recesses for the trusses on what was, you know, possibly the roof or a second floor. It looks like a little castle actually, a little Folly. Maybe that's what a Folly is, a little small castle. But really fantastic view. Let's just get a shot around it. So it's well restored, nicely preserved, and we got this view as well. So a little window up here. That's really it, folks. So I hope you enjoyed that with the Urban Investigator. If you can please give us a like and share if you want, and a subscribe would be great. So over and out with the Urban Investigator. So just another little part I've come across. This is a little lake beside the Folly. You can see all these beautiful wind bushes. Okay, very indigenous plant to Ireland. And when they bloom in the summertime, they have this lovely yellow flower. And they're just everywhere in Ireland. It's very much a characteristic of Irish countryside. They're very beautiful. But here we have is a little lake. So this is where they quarried the stone out and built the quarry. This is kind of a little man-made lake, you could say. It's pretty cool. Just wanted to add that in. Cheerio, folks.